decorated it.
No, I'm just documenting it. I mean, this is the last time I'll be in this classroom.
How melancholy. Finally. That was a very professional email you sent out this morning, Dad. It was? Okay, good. I'm really happy. I'm glad it was professional. And I really hope it doesn't turn into one of those email chains where everybody's just trolling on the person that sent the email. I love how I was kidding. No, it's not fair fun for the person that sent out the email. Yeah, but it's still entertaining for the rest of us. Yeah.
Today is the last day that we will be in this temporary quarters. We are moving into our new campus on Monday, which means I'm spending the day packing everything up. So I've already started. I took down all the speakers that were mounted on the wall. I've got the games all packed up. I pulled all the cable from the ceiling. I've been working on my bookshelf. Lots and lots of boxes and things going on here. Still a lot to do. We'll unplug all the computers at the end of the day. I got to take down all the posters, obviously of critical importance. But we're very excited to finally get back to our main real space, and we'll be doing that on Monday. So this classroom's been good. It's been nice. It's been a good, suitable place for us to be in for a temporary amount of time. But it's going to be really nice to get back into our larger space where we've always been, our newly renovated campus. So we're really looking forward to that. All right, we are boxed up. The posters are down. The computers are disconnected. Joey's doing his job. Hey, Joey. We're ready to go.